Hi, I'm Chef Ananya Banerjee, and in my kitchen today something special is cooking. What? Meethi Boondi. First thing first, a cup of besan, pinch of baking soda, some water. So almost 3/4 cup of water and mix well. It should be very smooth consistency and little runny. So once this is ready, what I'm going to do is divide this batter into 3 parts. You'll understand why I'm doing this. In one, I'm going to add a little green color. This one, I'm going to add some red color. So what will happen is, some of my bundis will be yellow as it is, some will be green and the other one will be red. This batter, I'm going to rest it for 5 to 10 minutes, and in the meantime I'm going to do the chashni. Full cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of water. Just put it on flame, let the chini melt properly first, and when the chashni is also getting ready, I'm going to heat up the oil. Now my oil is nice and hot. I'm going to fry the bundis. कैसे? आपके पास अगर बूंदी झारा है, you can use that. Then the bundis will fall like halwais. कुछ नहीं करना है. It's going to fall off like little droplets. I love it. So once these are fried nicely, you have to take it out. The first batch can go out like that. The chashni is almost done. Now I'm going to share a secret. जानना है secret? Ghee. You know what will happen if you add some ghee in your chashni? The bundi or whatever you're cooking will give that ghee का flavor. Some cardamom powder, थोड़ा सा नींबू जूस भी डालते हैं ताकि ऊपर का चीनी का जो स्कम्स आता है, गंदगी आता है, that will be on the surface and you can take it out. These are the little tricks which all chefs might not share with you. Abhi green bundi. So this is the basic of bundi preparation. अगर आपको बुंदी का लड्डू बनाना है, this size is fine. But if you want to make मोती चूर का लड्डू, recipe is same. But it all depends on the size of the jhara you're using. This kind of jhara is giving me this size of bundi. So if you use that fine perforated stuff, you'll get even smaller bundis. अभी red को बना लेते हैं. Same process. I'm using only food grade colors. Absolutely safe to eat. But still, if you have reservations about using colors, don't use it. So this batch is also done. I'll just take it out. Now let me show you the consistency of the chashni. It's absolutely ektar. Now the final step, the chashni. I'm going to add the bundis. So there are 2 ways of doing it. You can just soak this for about 15-20 minutes, or you can lower the heat and let it cook for 5 minutes covered. Wow, look at that. The bundis are absolutely ready. अभी ठंडा कर लीजिए और enjoy कीजिए. Easiest way to have this is गरम गरम bundi with some vanilla ice cream. Ah, it'll be superb. I'm showing you another option of doing bundi trifle. I'm layering it in a jar and using this bundi and some custard. तो ये लो, आपके लिए रेडी है बूंदी ट्राइफल. Let me know how the taste was. Like, comment, share and subscribe.